In the lessons for the Selenium family of commands, you learned how you can select web page elements using their XPaths. Guess what? Similar techniques can be applied to user interface elements such as input boxes, icons, buttons, menus, and so on, by resorting to the wpaths in the UI family of commands. Wpath is an address of a Windows UI element. You can easily find it with the Windows tree panel. Select Windows tree from the view in the menu, and you'll see all available UI elements in a tree. If you're not sure what a cryptic element really is, right-click it and select Highlight from the context menu. The selected element will be highlighted in the GUI, for example here. When you use any of the UI commands, just double-click a desired UI element in the window tree panel to insert its wpath into the command as a wpath argument value. For example, just like this. Let's use a couple of the UI commands, but first enable them by selecting the UI add-on in the add-ons panel. Select UI. So this script is a bit mysterious, so let's explain it and run. So in the first step, we open Remote Desktop Connection application. This is the file name of this application. Then we declare a variable that stores the wpath root of all UI controls in an RDC window. Then we wait until the RDC window is fully open and Show Options button is available. Click this button to expand the window and reveal all RDC options. And then in the computer input box, for providing the remote computer address, enter testdomain.com. Then we wait a second to make sure the remote computer address was entered correctly and enter admin in the username input box. The names of window elements are system language dependent, so scripts with wpaths to these elements can be used only in the same language versions of Windows.